cause a lot of damage. They can get to really high speeds. So, I'm going to use tornado-like strength to break this piece of wood. I'm going to be doing this one. I just need some testers here. Just check it. Make sure it's not broken. Go ahead. Dab it. Just dab it. Dab it. Dab it. Dab it. All right, front row. Front row. Can we confirm that the board is not broken? Yes. Okay, perfect. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to take this pencil, a small mass, and I'm going to accelerate it fast enough to break that piece of wood. Are you ready? Yeah! Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. And 3, 2, 1. But it still didn't work. I'm going to use some mass. Listen, I have this really cool machine. It's called the tornado cannon. What I'm going to do is I'm going to load my board down here. I'm going to put my pencil down here. And I'm going to use this pressurized CO2 connected to my tube to help shoot that pencil at higher